Hello my friends, welcome back to Mv2 of TechGover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Android TV to your MacBook. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. If you just want to install the Android TV to your MacBook, open the browser, type here Android Studio. Once you just got the result, click on the website on the top. And you have to download the setup of Android Studio. You can just get it by clicking over here, ticking this box, and you have to download the Apple chip if your MacBook is Apple chip, or if it is Intel chip, you can check out from the Apple icon on the left corner side. Once you install the Android Studio to your MacBook, just open it. Now you're going to create a project. We go on television, we're going to choose this one, then go next, and now you can rename it. By the way, we're going to pass it finish. Your project is here. Now we have to create our television. How we can do it? Let's go ahead. Let me click on it. Now we have click here. Just create any virtual device and you're going to choose the TV. Now time to choose the resolution of the TV. I'm just going to 720. Go click on next. Now you have to download the TV to your project. So how you can just download it? Just click on finish. And it's going to ask you to download, yes, and it will take a little bit of time until the download going to be finished. I will pause my video. So this is all. Once I finish the download, I'm just going to launch the TV here on Android Studio. So you can see Android TV is loading up here on the project. Let me just make it bigger. You can see now we can just use Play Store, any of them. Let me sign up my Gmail account to my Android TV. Sign in. Use your Gmail address to sign in. So let me do that. Now here you can see once I just signed in my Gmail account, I got all the apps here on the Play Store. I can download it to my Android TV and MacBook. So I'm just going to try it on HBO Max. So once you just install it, you can see it's loading up. I can open and sign up to my HBO Max account. So this is cool. If you just want to do that and use Android TV in your MacBook, just follow these instructions. It's very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.